Welcome to FuelTech. I am down south in Brazil to show you guys how the FuelTech headquarters work. So I'm gonna walk you guys through all the rooms, all the facility, and show how the magic is done. Come with me, I'm gonna show you right now. First stop, front desk. So where we were right there was a store. I'm gonna show you guys by the end of the video, okay? But this is actually front desk. This is where the magic starts, right? So nice people from the very beginning. Quick meeting room, right? And we walk up to the second floor where all the offices stay. The first floor, it's all the manufacturing, inventory, and development garage. The second floor where we have all the offices. Quick right turn. I have my buddy Leonardo offices here. He's our CEO for the headquarters. He's not here right now, more likely some kind of meeting. Let's try to sneak on this if someone is working here. Meeting room, I don't know what they're doing there. So much stuff happens. We have human resources. As you can see, we have lots of meeting rooms, you know, like we try to have all the people communicate in real time about everything in Brazil, United States, Europe, Middle East, Australia, New Zealand. Like to some extent, they all go through here at some point. So like communication is a key point on here. We have a nice, you know, a round area on the center of the all office space. Cafeteria, my marketing team right there on the corner. We have sales team, the guys from media that do all the recording videos, the guys behind this lens, they work here daily. Sales, you can see marketing right there in the corner. One of the largest departments on FuelTech is development, so you can see starts right there in the corner and go across this whole section. Look how many tables and people working here. Lots of people, really cool stuff. I'm not going to go with you guys there because like there's some top secret stuff. IT, meeting rooms, tech support, our FT education, the guys that develop the trainings and everything that we can try to pass along all the knowledge that we have. They work here, but they have a classroom somewhere else I'm gonna show you two guys. More for technical support. I'm trying to go quick, there's a lot of stuff to see. This is an empty room for now. We're doing some changes, right? So we're trying to expand some of the office space. So this one just became empty. We're gonna enlarge R&D. Going through the rest of the office, we have everything that's responsible for purchasing, inventory. A lot of people here, a lot of office space. And then here, we have a pretty good view of the second floor. This is where we have our garage. We have some cars here that we do some developing, some testing. To the left is where we have all the tools in, but from the very far corner all the way to the other side, it is our inventory, right? We made some changes, as you guys can realize. Now the inventory can be moved up really quickly if you have to, right? We didn't have that before. Now everything can be moved up, including some of the cars. We're gonna go downstairs and see how the manufacturing goes. There's some cool machines over here. We just refreshed. We bought complete new machines. They're not just new, they're newer, right? So After we have what happened to us here, we just bought newer, faster, more capable machines where they can move pieces along, right? Place boards. They pick components and they place by the board. It's amazing how fast those machines move. Look at that thing. As they assemble, the line keeps going by itself, and they keep going, never stop moving. This large piece is the oven, where all the components are finally glued together. Electronic quality control, and also manual quality control. So we go by both, using electronics to make sure everything is okay, and having double checking by humans. And the final stage is those small little items that sometimes you cannot apply heat or you cannot place on a regular machine build. You can see part of our manufacturing. How many units can we build, right? This is just like a small batch. Well, like this is something, right? So we have all of that and it goes on that flow, right? Where people finish something, they can put on the packages, they do some testing. You can see several 700s right there. This is my favorite, let me show you. 700 plus. What a beauty. A lot of 700s over there. And remember that empty room that we had upstairs? They spread it out here. So this is part of the warranty process that we have. Now it's closer to the manufacturing place. And that allows to be more people that do similar stuff to work together, right? I'm gonna keep walking with you guys just to show some of the inventory and stuff like that. And I want to finally show you guys the store. Okay, so we finally got here. It's pretty much from where we moved before, but I wanna show you guys another part of the company. Right here through this door, we have our FT Education class. So if you go this one that way, we have this section upstairs on the second floor for classes. So we do trainings in-house here in Brazil. And that way, it's our cafeteria, right? Lounge, pretty cool lounge. Oh, there's some wind in here, oh my God. And right next to it, we have Brazilian food. We from Brazil like to eat, so we have an in-house restaurant for all the employees, so they don't have to leave, right? And really nice food, I love this place. Walking by a little more, these big doors are the garage. So if you need to come in and out with a car or something to do the testing, I'm gonna show you guys from upstairs, because we heading right now to the FuelTech Store. So we back to where we came from, right? Let me show you inside. Yeah. FuelTech Store. So we have really cool stuff here. All the apparel that we have here, plus, obviously, nice vehicles. We brought this one from the United States. I don't know if you guys are used to see this, but like this is such a cool vehicle. Once we finish at FuelTech USA, we actually send it to Brazil to spend some time here and show the Brazilian people that kind of muscle car that we have in the United States. So it's gonna stay for a while and gonna go back to the United States. All the apparel on the back. So we have customers that they just walk in. They walk in, they come here, they want to talk to one of our techs or something like that. We also do some car meets on this area, on the parking lot right there in this store. We have a couple racing simulators as well, right? They are off right now, nobody's playing with. I want to, but I'm not going to do that right now. And upstairs on the second floor, let me show you guys. This is our museum. So we had to update our museum last year, right? But like this is our museum. I'm gonna go really quickly through this because it's actually really nice. 2003, our very first year, right? Our very first unit. It would only do fuel on turbocharged vehicles, right? And across the years, every year we'll have something innovation, right? Our first complete EFI, 2004. Updates for it, better traction control and stuff, 2005. In between 2006 and 2009, we start releasing more products. 2010, we changed our line. You can see they're completely different. 2011 was a revolution, this unit, our first unit with a large touch screen. And from then on, they just got upgrades and upgrades. 2013 was our first partnership in the United States. And in 2015, we officially opened FuelTech USA. And I wouldn't say we got lucky because we had really good people work with us. We also won with Troy Coughlin and the Jags team, the NHRA championship on the same year. 2016, the FT600 came along. Man, I love this unit, a lot of people do. FT Spark on 17, 450 and 550 in 18. And the line never stopped growing. Injectors, switch panels, EGTs, Nano Pro, this is beautiful. And by last, I'm missing here. She's missing here. I don't know where she's missing. FT700. I guarantee someone bought it because like usually we are out of inventory all the time. Every single unit that we manufacture goes out the door. So I'm gonna need to do a special just about 700 now. Out here, we have some of our history prototypes before the very first unit, just prototypes right here. We have a Wally. I love this piece, beautiful. This is actually 2017 that we got, it wasn't the first one. And this is part of our history right now, right? These are some photos and parts of a car that was deep in the flood inside our shop back in the day. So we kept this thing here because we're never gonna forget. And we came along, we overcame, and we happened fast in trucking. We have a really nice overview of the plant from this side. I hope that the glass is not so reflective right now, but you guys can see our garage. We do a lot of testing. We do EV testing, combustion testing, a bunch of stuff. We have a hub dyno here in Brazil as well. Then there's some of the cars. The guys are moving around because we're gonna have an event on the weekend. You can see our inventory and all our office out in the back. I really hope you guys enjoy just to taking a quick peek of the headquarters, FuelTech in Brazil. And next time I talk to you guys, more likely gonna be in USA, at FuelTech USA. So don't forget, if you have any questions, you wanna talk to us, you wanna check out our products, go on our website, fueltech.net, or just give us a call. We love to talk. See you guys next time.